Today we are going to be reviewing histograms, and then tomorrow you're going to have a quiz that looks identical to this. Mr. Kellner kept track of how many pages his students read. Place these numbers into a histogram. So here we have all of the numbers of how many pages his students read. So 5, 10, 24, and so forth. On the bottom of the histogram, on the x-axis, we have the bins. Remember, histograms are organized into bins, so any numbers between 0 and 4 would go above here. Any numbers between 5 through 9 would go above here. Any numbers between 35 and 39 would go above here. So the first number is 5. I'm going to find my sticky note that says 5, and I'm going to put it, I know that 5 is between 5 and 9, so I'm going to put it there. The next number is 10. I'm going to grab my sticky note that says 10 and I'm going to put it above the correct bin that says 10 to 14. Then on the second slide, you're going to answer 2 questions about this. Which bin range did most students read? Okay, we're looking for the bin range, which is on the bottom. So one of these bins. And what bin range did the fewest students read? Again, looking at the bins on the bottom where the fewest students read. To answer these questions, you can answer them on a sticky note.